In this lesson, we'll play around a little bit with the coloring of the visuals. So I also want to add some visual colors to this. Not really digging that green background. Click on the drop down here for the workspace and click on color. Click on the preset drop down here. If you don't see color, click on Lumetri color right here. There we go. For basic correction, click on the input LUT drop down and then click on RE Universal DCI. These presets are fun to play around with. I like these colors, but I want to go a little bit further. I want to take the temperature and bring it to the left to make it more blue. I want to take the tint to the right to make it even more blue. I want to play with the whites, bring them to the right to brighten the image, but then also take the shadows in to darken to make it look more dramatic. I want to bring the highlights in to darken it too, and the contrast in to darken it. And then I want to look at some of the other parts. Oh man, the part where he's climbing up the refrigerator looks really cool now. This lesson will continue in the next video.